The kids are all the way down there somewhere. I can hear them, and I'm sure I just saw neighbour. So this is the last Saturday before we leave the Isle of Man. What a beautiful day. When it's like this, it just makes you wonder, wow, am I doing the right thing? Moving. Look at the cows, so beautiful. Now it's getting closer to moving, like literally 3-4 days. And the amount of stuff that I've got to do, it is stressing me out quite a little bit. Yeah, I can see them coming now. Can you see them? So, you know, when it's summer and it's nice weather like this, and they will take themselves off and explore, but in winter they get so fed up, and that's what I'm wanting, is to have that where they can be outdoors as much as they want in nice weather, and just new opportunities and things like that. That's one of the main reasons why I want to leave here. This side of the world, they'll have their cousins, friends, more of a support system, I would say. But I mean, you can't put a price on this freedom that they've got here. But like I said, if it's not super nice weather, then they don't want to be outside. They want to be indoors all the time. So the landlord's been and cut their grass today. I mean, look at this. Honestly, you just can't put a price on this. For us to be able to rent this place and have all that space, there's the orchard over there, filmed in there lots of times, and then to be able to grow in them beds. Ryan, that's where Ryan did all his videos, and then the park here again. I don't know if there was a slide or something, whether the kids would want to play in there more in the park, but they don't really play in here that much. Yeah, but they love this bit here. This is their den, and they like to run all the way along that bit. And then the cows come sometimes, and then there's my view from the window. Cooking there, see this beautiful view. I said to Ryan, it's going to be a contrast. Potentially I could have sand dunes as my view when we move, instead of these, like, it's green lush. Well, like I said, when it's like this, it's just amazing. I really wish that it could be like this all the time. What's happened? What's up with her? Beautiful day. Last full day here on the Isle of Man. Going to say bye to the cat that lived here, Cregga. She just died a few days ago, and we're just gonna go and pay our respect to her. Ryan is buried her over there. So it's a bit of a sad ending to the journey here, but it's been a nice almost 4 years. Yeah. So yes, this is the drive. The house is just down there. Miss all this land. It's been amazing to be able to utilise it. The landlord was really nice, letting us explore and everything. And then buried it and then put it. Oh, can you put that down for me, please? I'm gonna put it on top of the rock, maybe. Thank you. You saying bye bye to the cat, Micah? No. Bye bye, Cregga. Bye bye, Cregga. I love you. Oh, you love her, bless you. No. Go, don't go too fast. Every time we come check the mail, this is what he does. I'll never forget, like, the first time that he was on that bike, he didn't really know how to go on it, And then now, oh my gosh, sometimes he scares the life out of me with how fast he goes, and he's weaving from side to side. I wanted to film properly with my camera, and hopefully I will be able to. Otherwise, I'll possibly just insert this in a video, maybe in the future. You can see where we was living. Such a beautiful day. Oh gosh, the last few days it's been raining like crazy, and I've had so much stuff to wash. It has been manic. We've been to we're having to downsize 10 bags, like, between us. And I wanted to take like some things that are expensive, like my juicer, my what is it now? My juicer, my blender, coffee machine, but I might not be able to take it. What did you find? You didn't pick them off, did they fall off? Yeah? Okay, just put them two on and then let's go, okay babe? Oh, yeah, look, can you see these they're so beautiful, these. But they die so quickly. It's such a shame, look at them. Can you see? I'm not joking, they've not even bloomed like for a week or two. But I think my mum's plant's like that as well. She's got not a plant, she's got a lilac tree, and it's like that. It blooms beautifully, and then within no time it's all gone for a full year. So yeah, so this is where we walk down or drive down, and the sea is over there. I've filmed that quite a few times on my channel. It's usually quite misty over there, but like I said, it's a really clear, beautiful day today. And then there's like a little park area, and then this is where the kids love to hide and run. They call it the den. And then these fields, cows are in there sometimes, and on the other side over there. And then there's an orchard here, loads of apple trees. And then that's a landlord's car over there, so his house is next door to ours. And there's a little cottage where we lived for these last 2.5 years. Please be careful, Niv. How come you not got any shoes on, babe? Oh, you've got your new trainers, haven't you? So yeah, so that's it. What are you doing, Micah?
I am potato.
Yeah, this one before.
This one, a hattie.
A hattie?
How did you have it on like this?
Are you helping?
Yeah.
This one.
It's really small, isn't it, eh?
No, it's for training.
Oh,
It's not to.
that looks like a swim cap.
Yeah. I never had it on.
No, I'm not surprised.
But when you train, you don't want to lose things. Some guys want it loose, some guys want it really tight. It's like a swim cap. Hey, Michael.
Yeah.
I should have filmed more of us sorting the house out. You should have seen the amount of stuff that we had to sort out. But everything was just so manic. I managed to film literally 10 minutes before we were due to leave the airport, just showing what the house looked like. Empty. Well, it wasn't empty because, like I said, it was a holiday let, so all of the furniture was in there. But we needed to get rid of all of our stuff that we'd brought from the previous house. So this is me just doing like a quick tour. Sorry. There's a garden outside. We had some black bin liners that we needed to go and throw away before we left. If you want to see when we moved into the house and how I did like a dining room transformation, how we did a transformation of Neva's bedroom and Kayla's bedroom, then I will link those videos above. So here is the bathroom and the hallway, and then that's Neva's bedroom there. So like I said, we did like a bunk bed transformation, and I'll link that video. And this was our bedroom. So as I was saying, you know, like the pillows, quilts, you name it, everything was in the house before we moved away. There's a lovely view that we had from the house. So as I was saying, we was cleaning and tidying till about 4 in the morning, me and Ryan. Set our alarm, woke up again at 6 o'clock. We were due to leave at 12 o'clock to go to the airport. We just underestimated how much we had to do and how much stuff we had to get rid of. We was constantly weighing our suitcases to make sure that we wasn't over, because we were able to take 10 suitcases at 23 kgs. So where are we?
The airport. Waiting for Grandma.
Where are we going?
To Namibia.
We're in Isle of Man. We've got to check in our bags. Hello, Micah. Going to Namibia for the first time. He's not happy. Look, everyone keeps looking at us so funny because of all these bags that we've got. 2 bags each. I don't think that's bad, really. Considering this is everything pretty much, except for a few things at Mum's house, isn't it, Ryan? So, hopefully all goes well with the check-in and that we've weighed the bags properly. My fingers are all swollen.
Wait. It's a window, Dad. It's a window.